Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the EVGA RTX 3080 ULTRA FTW3 GPU. I'm super excited to do the unboxing, and this is the front of the box. It looks really nicely designed, EVGA ULTRA FTW3, and in the side you have this very nice EVGA logo and design. And in the back you have some important specifications of the 3080 GPU. So there's these key features mentioned here. It supports DirectX 12. This is a LHR GPU, by the way. And so there's the seal at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Seems like it's safely packed. There's this pad in here. Right over here we have a very nice EVGA logo that you can stick on your computer case. And this is a metal bracket to support the graphics card if your case supports it. And this is the user guide where you can read and figure out what the graphics card is and how to install and stuff like that. Alright, so let's take this monster out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the seal. Alright, so here is a graphics card. It looks really tough. It has 3 fans here for improved cooling, and it's quite a bit heavy as well. So this is the big heatsink, and at the back you have this very nice back plate. And at the bottom also you have this view of this giant heatsink, and those are the heat pipes. So here are the 3 8-pin power input ports to power the graphics card. And here in the front you have 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these plastic caps and plastic wrappings. Next I'm going to install the graphics card into my motherboard. I'm going to release the GPU lock there. The CPU power cable is interfering with my install, so I'm going to send the graphics card underneath it carefully. It's not 100% in the PCI Express port. I'm going to carefully push it in. Next is to secure the graphics card to the computer case. I'm going to screw in a screw here. Next time we're going to install the 8-pin power cables. Alright, so now the graphics card is properly installed and this is how it looks like. Next I'm going to turn the computer on, and as you can see the graphics card turns on and the very nice rainbow LED display panel is turned on and lighting very nicely. This is a close-up view of the LED illumination panel. That's very nice. And this is a breathe-in EVGA logo. I'm going to run benchmarking on this graphics card, but before that I want to ensure that memory and GPU clocks are set to its default values. Next I'm going to run the benchmarking software to benchmark the graphics card. This is going to take some time to complete the benchmarking, so I'm going to not show everything here. Alright, so the benchmarking is done and it has scored 26408 as the 3D benchmarking score, and an average 3080 graphics card out there scores 24465 points. So my graphics card has scored better than the average 3080. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.